And today we are going toward the vocabulary section. First of all, we have to know what are vocabularies. Vocabularies are known as word meaning also. So, in vocabularies, we should study about the words in a different category, such as noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, or verbs also. So today's session is focused on the main verb. Though there are usually verbs also, but today we learn about main verbs. Main verbs are called action verbs. These are task-based, work-based, and used for doing any activities or task as well as works. I mean to say, in Nepali also, vocabulary is शब्द, शब्दार्थ, we can say in Nepali शब्दार्थ. र शब्दार्थ भन्ने बित्तिकै एउटै क्याटेगोरीको हुँदैन. नाम पनि हुन सक्छ, we say noun, सर्वनाम हुन सक्छ, pronoun, adjective हुन सक्छ, विशेषण, adverb हुन सक्छ, ओके क्रिया विशेषण र verbs हुन सक्छन् जसलाई हामी क्रिया भन्छौँ. र verbमा पनि one is auxiliary verb, एउटा सहायक क्रिया हुन्छ जसले मेन verbलाई हेल्प गर्ने काम गर्छ in sentence making. And another is main verb, which are of the 5 form, means verb 1 to verb 5 form. And regular verb are those verbs which have the same verb 2 and verb 3 form. जसको verb 2 र verb 3 generally same हुन्छ, and there is ed in the end of the verb. यहाँ चाहिँ के हुन्छ, ed added verb हुन्छ, verb 2 मा पनि verb 3 मा पनि. र these are same in the verb 2 and verb 3. But when there is different form in the verb 2 and verb 3 and modified in the verb 2 and verb 3 form, such as eat, ate verb 2, eaten verb 3, there is no ed in the verb 2 and verb 3. And these verb 2 and verb 3 of the eat verb is different. Verb 2 is ate, verb 3 is eaten. जसको ed थपिएर चाहिँ verb 2 र verb 3 हुन्छ, तिनीहरू रेगुलर verb हुन्, रेगुलर मेन verb हुन्, जसमा ed पनि थपिएको हुन्छ र verb 2 र verb 3 पनि के हुन्छ त सेम हुन्छ. तर जसको ed थपिँदैन, मोडिफाई हुन्छ, इरेगुलर, त्यही भएर इरेगुलर हुन्छ, चेन्ज हुन्छ. केमा त verb 2 र verb 3 मा. जस्तै मैले इटको इक्जाम्पल दिएँ, इट verb 1 हो, ate verb 2 हो भने eaten eaten के हो त verb 3 हो. यहाँ ate र eaten अथवा verb 2 र verb 3 डिफरेन्ट छ र त्यसमा ed पनि थपिएको छ. र जनरली verb 1 is called bare infinitive. bare भनेको खाली, infinitive अथवा यो रूट फर्म हो, मेन फर्म हो, यसमा कुनै पनि लाइक हुँदैन, es, ies, ed कुनै पनि छैन, यो स्टार्टिङ फर्म हो. भने verb 2 ed थपिएको हुन्छ रेगुलर भर्बमा है. वी आर लर्निङ अबाउट रेगुलर भर्ब नाउ. अहिले हामी रेगुलर भर्ब बारे पढ्दैछौँ र verb 3 मा पनि ed हुन्छ. तर हामीले verb 2 र verb 3 कसरी थाहा पाउने भनेको हामीले एक्चुअली verb पढ्दाखेरि थाहा पाउँछौँ. We have learned when we studied about the auxiliary verb, where there is have verb and after have verb there is ed form, that is verb 3 form. अथवा have verb पछि आउने ed के हो त verb 3 हो. तर सब्जेक्ट पछि यदि डाइरेक्ट verb 2 आउँछ भने यहाँ के हुन्छ त verb 2. We can say subject plus direct subject plus verb. Here have verb plus verb 3. And verb 4 form is ing form. verb 4 मा ing form हुन्छ. कुनै पनि verb मा ing र ing form को लागि हामीले verb पढ्दाखेरि पढिसकेका छौँ. त्यसको अगाडि के हुनुपर्छ, be verb हुनुपर्छ. Such as is, am, are, was, were. Is, am, are for present tense and was, were for past tense. Is, am, are चाहिँ present tense को लागि हुन्छ भने was, were past tense को लागि हुन्छ. र त्यसैको आधारमा हामीले tense को स्ट्रक्चर पनि बनाउन सक्छौँ. Anyway, that will be revised in the tense section. And verb 5 means it is for singular, there is written, and after verb 5 form there may be or there is s, es or ies, and it is used for singular subject. Besides I and you, I र you भन्दा बाहेक he, she, it, this, that लाई के हुन्छ त verb 5 मा जुन्छ भने verb 1 form along with I and you, I र you सहित I र you लाई singular माने तापनि they used as a plural form. So plural को लागि verb 1 form, भक्तु सबैको लागि अल